lose picking fights again. It's almost like you think you win. Feeling fate, I'm feeling right. It's like you're never on my mind. And if I leave, say you'll be broken.
Take the film out of the canister. Canister, set that aside. Recycle that. Go ahead and open up the back of the camera by pulling up on the knob on the left hand side. Pull it all the way up and then a little extra bit and it releases the back.
Think I care and begging, please say you deserve it. Baby, why you think I'm worth it?
Insert the film into the camera with the open hole side to the top, and then slide down the winding knob on top of it. Pull the film out about 6 inches, and then you're going to insert the leader in one of the slots on the right hand side over here. And then you can insert the leader into any one of these slots, just stick it in about a quarter of an inch or so, and then start winding your film around. You should see it come around the post like that, and then you're going to keep taking photographs until the film is flat and should continue winding around the post on the right hand side. That looks about right there. Now it's flat, we can go ahead and close the back of the camera. If you look at the top now, you'll notice that in the little window here it still says S, so we're at the start of our roll of film. We're going to go ahead and wind and shoot additional frames until we get to the number 1. It'll be about 3 frames. You'll notice while we're doing that on the left hand side our winding post over here, the winding knob, is unwinding. The film is coming out of the canister and coming across the back, and you do want to see that happening. It means that you're doing it properly. Now that we're number 1, our film our camera's ready to go. We can start taking pictures.
Open the back of the camera up. The more modern cameras generally got the rewind lever and some kind of a button at the side here. Just pop it out, you'll figure that out. Okay, get the film with the label facing you like so. It's got a little bump at the bottom, that goes at the bottom right here. Good idea to put this rewind lever in. It'll stop the film from lifting out as you pull the tongue or the leader part of the film, the shaped thinner part, right the way across to the furthest spindle over here. Now different manufacturers had different mechanisms, but it's basically a means of just gripping the start of the film whilst you do this initial wind on. So I'm just going to pop that in there. Now I should be able to advance the film, and if you watch here you'll see it just appearing now. Fire the shutter so I can wind it again, and I'm checking as well that the teeth on this little cogwheels are actually engaging in the perforations of the film, so they're helping to pull the film across as well. Okay, that looks like the film's nicely gripped up. It's not going to slip off there. It's in the cogs and it's not popped out on this side. So close the camera. Now just to confirm that you've got a good contact there, if you watch this rewind spindle as I advance the film across, you'll see that's turning. So that's confirming that the film is actually moving in the camera, and you can fire off 3 frames because you've already fogged that part of the film, so it's just considered scrap. And yeah, now you're ready to go.